Here's the thing. You have a job or business that consumes most of your time. The time that's left is the time you really live. You spend time with your friends, family, and get some much needed downtime. If you start investing by yourself, all that changes. You need to spend a lot more time tracking funds, looking at the markets, understanding complicated graphs, charts, and ratios. And despite all of that, you can still never be sure that you're making the right choices. In fact, it's virtually impossible for most of us to do a better job of planning and tracking our investments than a financial expert who literally does this for a living. As an investor, you don't want to be penny wise and pound foolish. That's why it's important to have an expert financial advisor to do all the heavy lifting for you. And that's exactly what Cube offers you. We work with the same advisor who helps the rich get richer, and because you use Cube, this advice is completely free for you.
Don't make this one mistake. Both Cube's mutual fund and stock advisor have consistently beaten the market. For more about them, see the video about our advisors.